The broadcast is now starting. All attendees are in listen-only mode.
Hello everyone, Sam is here from myforestmagicweb.com. Making this video just to show what's happening in USDX and yen index. Yesterday, I don't know my internet connection if it is talking. It's keep coming and going and bothering me, and 2 times already disconnected in the middle of the recordings. So I think it's still doing it. Okay. I don't know. It's been raining big time here, so something got screwed up. Anyway, yesterday first I sent out a video about Aussie USD, right? And well, it did came down a little bit, but not much. It was a good setup, but what happened is that USD got weaker, right? As yen was getting strong. So that's the thing that I saw all of a sudden. Actually, it's like something clicks, and then I saw it that happening all over the across the board. Actually, right? So when one single currency involved in so many pairs, and that moves, then everything else also moves. So especially USD yen, the USD was getting weaker, and then yen was getting stronger. And same thing happened to euro yen, pound yen. They all went down big time. So I just quickly, instead of sending charts, because making the charts and then this and that, by the time I do it, the setup is gone. We're gonna miss the boat, right? So I had to be very quick. So I know that most of you already know what to do, how to do, and then you have done this Elliott wave flip flop, not Elliott wave, sorry, magic wave, and how to use it, on whatever the direction you are told. So coming down means just look for shorts, and then shortly after, when I sent out the tweet, they start coming down, and they all came down big time. But now the situation is about to reverse, and hopefully you guys have taken your profits already. Now let's take a look at the yen index first. This is yen index weekly chart, okay, and this is what it is right now. We have, let me make it a little bit bigger before then I'll show it again. This is the high, 58.14. I using this low and this low, draw the trend line, and we came and kissed the trend line, right? Then you also have this high here, right? This one, but it's not touched yet, but the trend line is stopping it for now. So let's see what happened. This is 58.14. We are above that. Now below, as I'm talking, we are going up and down on that number. We are now 58.11, 12, 16, 14, jumping there. So we are in right now is trying to like a bounce or break kind of situation. Let's see what happened, but I think we're gonna bounce and go up again. But this is just what I think. Doesn't mean anything. The market will do anything if she wants. So just let's see. Just follow the P, right? And this is a 4-hour version of it. This white line you can see here, 58.14, and this trend line is this one. Okay, so this is where we stand in this yen index. We can bounce from here. Yesterday you can see this is the low here. It's very easy if you pay attention, whatever you want to do. This is what I saw, that it was like a resistance here, and this index was here. So I said, well, index is gonna drop one more time even before going up. Like this is X, A, B. Now we are at C. If we don't go below that, then we will be going up for a point D to make an harmonic pattern. You all know that, right? So, but the reaction on that, and especially if you notice that on my website, I've put a chart. I posted a couple of charts with these 3 indicators, and they are I'm testing them right now, okay, and at different time frames and everything, like a system. It's not one indicator, because like I always said, that it is not what indicator or what thing you're using. My internet connection again is sound like it's gone. I don't know, man. Let's see if I still have it or gone. Hello? Okay. All right, looks like I still have it. keep disconnecting and connecting. And we had a very bad rain today here, so something got, must have got screwed up. So anyway, so this is these indicators are, like here, see, all three working in the same time, giving me very nice. And then I'll explain you later on. You're not in this video, okay? So I'm just testing it. They are working fine along, all three together. Okay, this is where the up move was earlier in the week, and then the down move I said, and now they are getting set up again for an up move. And obviously, when you are at the support or resistance or something like that, and they are aligned, they are becoming very nice tool. Powerful tool. Okay, I'm paying attention, and then I'm trying to fix this, especially for those who doesn't want to, or can't learn Elliott wave or money patterns and all that. Just simply open two charts side by side, and on a second screen, be ready for hitting on a 5 or 1 minute chart entries. 4-hour chart and daily or weekly chart on the left hand side, 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart on the right hand side. Switch it, between 4, 1, and 15 minutes, and see if these align, and that's about it. So I'll be working on it and make it a perfect strategy, and then I'll explain later on. So now we are, this blue line is this blue line here. This is 58.14. This is the spot. We need to go up. Simple. All right. So what I'm thinking is that this could be a C point, even though it's all the way down. If we hold this area, then definitely we're going up. So we are at the station. Remember, at the station. And like somebody was saying, that I always said that we may go up and may go down. What else I can do? The market can do anything. That's the only, two possibilities, right? But what is the more possibility, and if then kind of thing is the only way you can win this market. Okay, so if it drop, leave it alone. We will see what it is, and if you want to be aggressive, find a short setup, take it. But as long as these indicators here all the way in the downside, and here it can drop here to this area here, this low. See that? But for now, what I see is that the trend line is holding it. Okay, it's holding it. It's bounce from here big time, then second time touch, and it's like a current, boom, gone up again, right? So okay, all right. So it may be bouncing, and then we will see all the other, by the way, all the index, yen pairs are also aligning to go up. All right. I'm going to show you a couple of them later on this video. So this is what it is. Yen index is ready to bounce if we hold this area and if we stay above 58.14. Remember that. All right. Indicators are aligning here, and then we have a very good chart towards the upside based on this also weekly chart. Let's go see USDX. If yen is going to get weaker, then we need that thing to get stronger, right? Let's see what happens. This is USDX. This is a daily chart, and this is H4 chart. So as you can see here, same story almost. This is the trend line that I'm using these two spots. We came touch and bounce first before, and now this is the high here, which is acting as a support, and this is the trend line. So daily is, and then whenever you have these kind of 3 or 4 or 5 wicks, like you have a couple of them on the top, we came down. Couple of them on the top, we came down. Few in the bottom here, we went up. You see that 1, 2, 3 here, we went up. Here's few, just like here, the opposite direction, we came down. Here, you can see a lot of wicks here, came down, right? So we are having a lot of wicks here right now on a daily chart. Everything is just getting, whenever it comes down, buyer comes in. Okay, so it is keeping it above this area. So right now this high is, let's say what it is. This high is, oh, I forgot. I don't have it. You got too many things, man. Too many things. 75.47. Okay, so we are right now at 75.75. So we are, pretty much above it. Hope we will stay above it. 75.47. Let me put before I forget, just for my reminder, 75.40. Okay, this is the borderline, right? So we need to go above this to have a clear way. came down because of this. Or not even that, we came down because of that. Here, this is the exact high. This is the resistance actually. So we try to poke into it, fail. Try to poke into it, boom, drop. Then this same spot acted as resistance, support. Here we broke it but bounced, and then we're testing it from underneath, and then we got rejected one time, and let's see what happened. Below you have 75.47. Above you have this number which is 76.06. Okay, so let's see which one prevails. Bouncing this one and going up means that USD will be getting stronger, which will in turn will support my weekly chart, which I don't know if I have it or not, but there was a bad pattern, here, and then it's going up. We need to go all the way up to I don't know, let me see if that was, yeah, that was the okay. Man, all right, here. So we need to go at least 78, 77, 59, 60, so we need to go up here, and basically we need to go up all the way here, but let's see what happens. But we are, nicely making higher highs and higher lows and going up, right? So this was a dip, which is getting supported. So we will probably go up tonight on this one. Thursday, it's a big night. Remember, big moves happens. I'm not looking into calendar, economic calendar, because that makes me change my mind, make me confused. Oh my God, this is happening, that happening. I want to concentrate only on technicals. If because of the news it goes down the drain, that's fine. That happens most all the time. There's no big deal. It's part of the But if then a strategy, keep us safe. If we bounce, we know we are bouncing. We will see on a 5-minute chart what's happening, and that's it. So basic bottom line is staying above this area, 75.47 on USDX and 58.14 on yen index. If you guys have it, just keep it on and see if we are moving in those direction. And if yes, then USD pairs will be coming down, yen will be going up. Yen pairs, by the way. All right. So let's go take a look a couple of yen pairs. What is happening there? Let's say euro yen is this. Okay, so euro yen, the story on that is very simple. When you turn this into monthly, you will see this highest point here, right here. You see this one was 139.21, and I tell you what, this thing yesterday made the low of 139.03, and now it is at 39.54, right? So 39.21 is the line. This is this white line. 39.21 is a key level. Okay, we need to be above it. All right. So what you do is you go on a 5-minute chart on this one. I was thinking that we may be coming down to this TL, this below this white line, this one, but this is also a big one, and then trend line, if it doesn't hit, then it doesn't matter. But yen index is ready to go up, and if that goes up, then this thing can again go up, and this is definitely a correction. You can see the big impulse move. Now it's coming down wobbly and then getting ready to go up again, I think. Let's see what happens. Aussie yen is sitting on this support, you see, very nicely, and the fib area is you see how nice and clean it touches. Kiss here, a kiss here, and a kiss on 78.6%. 88.43 is the number, and then we made the low here, 88.90. No, close. No. 88. 52, and the number was 88.43. See, 9 pip difference on a daily chart. So anyway, we went up there. Last night I said that all the yen pairs will be coming down, right, on a tweet, and they all came down nicely, but I think that they are posting like a excuse me, point C, making a pattern like this one. If you say X, A, B, and this would be C, and we will go for D. And similarly, I'll go with those profiles one by one. Okay, so see now, Newsy daily. You see this? This is 1 point. This is second point. This makes a band here, and this is the second time we came and hit this into the band. The indicators are lining up for the upside, and our yen index is also lined up to go to upside. Let's see what happens. USD yen is hiding right here. Okay, this is USD yen. It is hitting the trend line. It hit the trend line first, went up on a 4-hour chart again. It made the thing there. Last night I saw it that, you know, everything else is coming down, so this should be coming down too. See these two highs here? It went up here. Also, always make sure on a 4-hour chart then the price will make a swing. When I say swing, you know, up, then down, and up, then down. Like this one is going up, right? But these are small swings, right? So whenever it comes down, pay attention to this red line on a 4-hour chart, and you see that, you know, if you see that this line is holding and we are then bouncing, or, you know, from there getting away again in this old direction, it's powerful. So similarly, what happened here is, you know, we hit this, we came down, we went away from it, then maybe we'll be coming, going towards it again tonight, as the yen index will be getting strong. Weaker, and then USD will be getting strong, then this pair will go up very fast. You can see these three in line perfectly. So all the yen pairs are now again aligned, in line to go up. Yeah, last night was down, now to go up. USD CAD is having here is a hard time here, but it's like it's, you know, on the brink of a breakout. But I wouldn't bother with it. If any one of you want to trade, you know, this is like, it's sort of that it broke, and then, you know, and the new candle is support, you know, getting a support on this high here. But don't like it. Okay, my battery is going down. That's nice. All right. So this is it. We just wanted to show you. Let me show you how to use the profile, that, like, you know, USD yen. Again, daily chart on the right hand side, left hand side, 4-hour on the right hand side. Just keep track. And this is actually 4-hour chart, but, you know, for entry, I'll just turn this thing into 5-minute. And now you can see that we are. So I want this wave to be above this yellow line and give a nice setup with my these indicators, magic wave setup, and then from there it's all hallelujah. All right. Aussie yen, you know, X, A, B, C. We might go for D. Okay. This is a 4-hour chart. You see this, how it's sitting on the support. This is Aussie yen weekly. So very, very strong support here, big support here, right? And the other point was here, which I missed. How did I miss out? Let's see that. Oh man, what is happening with this? I need my wired mouse again. You know, these electronic mouse, wireless mouses are pain. Okay. All right. So for now, we are bouncing from this high here. At least we are sitting at it. And then again, these indicators very nicely aligned, showing the upside. Okay. I don't know if I'm connected or gone. Internet connection is just keep coming, disconnecting and connecting and all right. All right, this is it. At least I cover most of it what I wanted. So watch this one as well. This is XABC. Then we need to be going up. It's all depend on yen index. If yen index start getting weaker, then we will be nicely going up. Okay. And let's see. Frank yen. Don't bother with that. EJ is also, like I said, this is 139.20, and as long as we stay above, we will be going up on EJ. 120. Why don't I? Okay, that was another one. Broker 139.20. Whoa, this is how it came down and hit exactly. 139.22. Okay, euro yen, and look at this here. This high here. Oh man, what is happening with this? Okay, this is, see, 139.21. This is 139.21. We made a low here. No, this one is the low. I was missing that. 139.03. All right, anyway, so we are above that right now, 139.57. Okay, and you can see here this thing is posting a nice divergence as well. This is lower low, and this is higher low. This is also higher low. They are all in down position, turning to the upside. And when the time comes, just go and see on the, well, let's see if I can turn this real quick into, just to show you that, I'm using this other template with other moving averages just to see, testing. You see this, how nicely it is on a 4-hour chart, but you need on a 5-minute chart. And I need this wave, just, just like this, clear above this yellow, and then give you the setup. Both of these were set up, right? This one, nice setup. This one also sort of not very nice, but but this one was nice. But the thing is, it's 21:50. That time is not our time. Our time is start from Frankie and then U.S. Lunchtime around London close, and after that, a couple of hour after that, close for entries. So out of that, if you haven't set up, just pass it most of the time. But this is how I look. This is the setup that I've been looking for in after Frankie Open or London session or US session. Okay, so right now it is the downside, but we need to the upside if we want to hold above that level. 39.21, remember that number. Right now we are at 39.55 on euro yen. Let's see what happens if we bounce or continue to the downside. There's very much possibility to come down more if we just pass by these numbers. But the thing is, we just saw the index is also sitting on the support. So what's going to happen there? It's the thing to watch right here. Okay, if we stay above this 58.14, and and I see the divergence building here too. So, and all this scenario here making me think that not we, but this pair, this index should be going up. And let's see what happens. All right. So this is it. Be prepared tonight. And I think I'm out of the connection. I have a connection. Audio is connection lost. And then now. You know what? I'm gonna cancel this thing for now and forget about the whole thing. I'll record this thing later.